Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the R programming series. Uh, Today we're gonna talk about string concatenation. So what it means actually is adding up two strings together and in the R. So that's the main catch, right? And just wanting to let you know, you can contact me on the WhatsApp or mail if you have any problem with your coursework or project you are working on, right? And let's see how we are gonna define a string first of all. So let's say first name, and I'm gonna write my first name well, and the second name or the last name is Ahmad, right? And we wanna concatenate or add up these two strings. So how we're gonna do this in R? Because in any programming language other than R, it's really simple like that. So you're gonna use the print, then use the first name, and let's use the operator just like any other language mostly allow this, right? But let's first create these variables. So we're gonna see these values here in the environment tab, and let's print it. So you can't use the add operator in the R for string concatenation. That's very clear from this error, right? There is another thing. Let's do a comma, right? Because in some programming languages they let you use comma for this purpose, but it's giving error, so it's also not allowed. So let's just do one thing, print this first name. So yeah, it's working absolutely fine, but it is not allowing me to concatenate another string with this print command. So what we have to do is use the paste command, and then how many strings you have to give is depend on you, and then to add a bracket, and you can see we have created or added two strings together. So it turns out in R you have to be known of, or like be aware of the functions which allowed you to do stuff. Without that you can't do things on your own. So the paste command is used for this specific purpose, and there are many more. So that's it for today, and I'll just see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.